Hey all, here are my tasting notes on Houjicha. I have fallen in love with this tea, and look, it doesn't even look like tea because you don't have tea leaves from the tea bush. You have the sticks and stems, but it's still authentic tea, and this is what it looks like. And here it is brewed up so that you can see the color of the liqueur. There is what it looks like in my gaiwan. Not too much different. So here are my tasting notes. That photo is not a very good one, doesn't show the color as well. I got this from the website in Canada. Everything I've had from them has been great. I would recommend using them. This is a green tea from Japan. The cultivar is the Yabukita, and there's the name of the producer, M. Osada. Houjicha is roasted and pan fried, and it is made from sencha and bancha. So sencha is a very high quality steamed green tea. And so when you get down to the sticks and stems of that tea bush after making the sencha and the bancha, they have made this Houjicha. And this says leaves and stems. I must have got that from the website. Looks like mostly sticks and stems. I kind of like saying sticks and stems. The idea of roasting green leaves was invented in 1920 by a Kyoto merchant who had a surplus of old leaves he did not want to waste. Roasting reduces the caffeine content, so it's often served for children or drank late at night. Tea made with the third or fourth flush leaves are called Shudo bancha, meaning autumn-winter bancha in Japanese. These leaves are used for lower quality banchas, blended for janmachi, or roasted for Houjicha. And there is the golden color on the color spectrum. And if you want any of these, I should mention that on my videos, I keep forgetting, graphics, and would like to see more of the various levels of each of these, like body. I have this one as medium. You can go to my website and download these graphics, and you'll be able to see the various levels. So the aroma flavor is earthy and wooded. Again, I am an outdoor girl, and I love earthy and wooded smells and tastes, and teas. Those are the teas I tend to go for. The body is medium, so it's there's two categories below it. So the astringency is bright or light, so there is some astringency to it. Bright and light is about the highest I like to go on astringency for personal tastes. It tastes like hardwood. I don't know how hardwood tastes except for how it smells. Toasted cereal, hazelnuts, roasted, wooded, vegetal, earthy decay. Oh yeah, it kind of smells like earthy decay. Crunching that warm in the sun. Yes, warmth. So it's a great tea for autumn or winter. Sitting by a campfire or pretending you're sitting by a campfire. I've got lingering and aromatic for the finish. And would I keep this on hand? Yes. As soon as this gets used up, I'm going to order it again. And actually, there is dense tea in California. I think that was the name of it. I ordered Houjicha powder from him. OMG. I was so excited to try something new, and it's much like matcha powder, only it's not very good for drinking, the powder, but I mixed it up like a matcha powder with some water, and I poured it over ice cream. Oh my gosh. I usually don't eat ice cream a lot. Not that I don't like it, I'm just not pulled to it. And I just had to have that every day. I had to have it for the the Houjicha powder. Anyway, had to tell you about that. Oh my gosh, I feel like this tea is one that you either love or hate. There's several teas out there like that where, yeah, either people really don't like them or they really like them a lot. And I think this is one of them, and I'm on the really like it a lot. How about you? I'd love to hear from you what your thoughts are.